You have applied for a job and received an email invitation to take an applicant interview. The email contains the information needed to take the interview on a mobile device or a computer. To take the interview on a computer, you must use the Google Chrome browser. Click on the unique interview link in the email or copy-paste it into your browser window to start. This is the interview page. Here you can review and edit your information, check out the company information of the hiring company, and read the job description. Your email address is not editable, and the name fields are both required. Other fields like phone number, location, and availability are optional. Once you are satisfied, you should accept the terms and conditions and click the Take Interview button. You will next be taken to a screen where the app will explain some of the interview rules to you. Click the Start Interview button when you are ready to start.
What 2 or 3 accomplishments have given you the most satisfaction?
This is the first section of the interview and requires you to answer questions verbally. Ensure that your face is clearly visible in the window and answer in a clear voice. Each question has a timer. The interview will skip to the next question when the timer runs out. You can also see how many questions are in this section. Click the Next button when you are done answering the question. For bilingual jobs, some questions may be in other languages. Answer questions in the language that they are asked in. Once all the verbal questions are completed, you will be taken to the start of the objective questions section. This section will have a series of multiple-choice questions related to the job. Some interviews may not contain this section. Click the Next button when you are ready to start. For each objective question, you will see the question, 4 answer choices, and a timer. Pick the best answer from the choices provided and click on the Next button to move forward. Remember, you cannot change an answer after clicking the Next button. The next section has a series of multiple-choice questions to test your aptitude. This section can have 50 to 150 questions in different subsections. Some interviews may not include this section. Each question in this section can have up to 8 answer choices. Pick the best answer and click Next. The timer in this section is for the entire set of questions and not for any individual question. For instance, for this interview, you have to complete 25 questions in 15 minutes, and how much of that time you spend on each question is up to you. You will next be taken to the last section of the interview. This section has multiple-choice personality questionnaires. Click Next to start the section. You will be presented with a series of statements, and you can choose whether you agree or disagree with each of them. There are no right or wrong answers here, and there is no timer for this section. Clicking on a response will automatically take you to the next statement. You cannot change a response, so be sure of your response before you click. This section is also optional and may not be part of every interview. That's it. Your interview is now complete. You can go to Appliqant.com and log in with the same email address to watch your interview and get feedback from the hiring company. You can also share your experience on social media. Best of luck with your job search.